Introducing Parabit's Cone Counter Turnstile Mount. The Cone Counter Turnstile Mount is expertly crafted to seamlessly integrate the cone reader with security checkpoints and turnstiles to optimize biometric access control. This mount provides a secure and reliable foundation for the cone reader. Built to endure frequent use in high-traffic areas, the mount ensures stability while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance. The Cone Counter Turnstile Mount features easy installation, durable construction, simple serviceability, an elevated view on top of turnstile mounts, and ADA PRM accessibility with a standard finish of stainless steel or powder-coated black. Custom colors are available. The Cone Counter Turnstile Mount is specifically engineered for durability and precision, making it a dependable choice for guiding passengers efficiently